In front of me is Motorola E40, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display and click on wallpaper. Now choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from and mark the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Okay, so actually I don't have any interesting photos here. Maybe in this panel we have some more options, so let me pick the cityscape. For example, this one. Now you can customize it if you wish to, and tap on confirmation mark then. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both, and as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.